So this is a Whirlpool thin twin large capacity washer dryer. It wasn't draining and it wasn't spinning. So I removed this top piece here. There it is there. You gotta pry these little tabs up and out of the way. Kind of a pain in the ass. There's two of them here and here. Once that's in, you can remove it. You can test for the switch and see if it's gonna work by just shorting out the switch connection. So the middle one's your ground, left one is your hot, and your right one is your switch leg. So if you just short them out, it starts draining. Easy as that. And as soon as I remove it, it turns off. And then if you have to replace something, it's likely going to be your limit switch right here. So there you go.